Hi, welcome to eSpares. I'm Matt. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the control knob on an LG washing machine. If your control knob on your machine is broken, then you won't be able to select any functions or programs, so it definitely needs to be replaced. Thankfully, it's very simple to do yourself at home. Let's take a look. For this repair, you will need a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver, and of course the new spare, and you can find a link to these in the description below. Now, safety first, always remember to unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. Now the next thing we need to do is to remove the top of the appliance by undoing the two Phillips head screws that hold it in place. With the screws removed, simply pull back, lift away. Next, I need to remove the soap dispenser drawer. You can pull it out so far and then you'll see this little tab with a finger pointing on it. Simply push that down and then the drawer comes fully away. Now we need to remove the control panel. To do that, I need to take out the two Phillips head screws here. And once these are out, you can carefully lift out and up the control panel. And then push down these two tabs at the top of the control panel using your flat-headed screwdriver to release it completely. Next, we need to remove the PCB and its frame by undoing the Phillips head screws that hold it in place. Then the PCB and frame just lifts up from the control panel. And now, with the control panel off the PCB, you can simply lift off the control knob. To ensure that you're getting the correct control knob for your washing machine, it's vital that you have your model number. This is to make sure that you're getting the exact part for your appliance. Now, if you're not sure where to find the model number on your machine, check out our video here that will tell you everything you need to know. To fit the control knob, just make sure that the flat side of the D fits up with the flat side on the PCB here, and it should simply slot into place. To fit the control panel, fit the knob through the specific hole in the control panel here, and then you can screw the PCB and frame into the control panel itself. To fit the control panel to the washing machine itself, these two tabs at the bottom need to sit in the frame here, and then these two upper tabs sit in the upper frame here. Once you're happy that they're in position and the control panel is fitted properly, you can then refit the two screws at the front. With the control panel screwed into place, you can refit your soap dispenser drawer and the top. So there we have it, how to replace the control knob on an LG washing machine. Now that you can satisfactorily select the programs and settings on your washing machine, why not learn how to make the most of them? Check out our video here to find out more. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things eSpares, repair guides, maintenance advice, safety tips, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.